Quake the 28th of March 1:51 p.m. GMT +8. An earthquake of magnitude 5.3 occurred only 27 minutes ago 22 kilometers northwest of Laoag, Philippines, the United States Geological Survey reported. The quake hit at a shallow depth of 29.2 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Laoag, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos, Philippines, around noon on Tuesday, March 28, 2023, at 1:51 p.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the Citizen Seismograph network of Raspberry Pi which listed the quake of magnitude 5.3 as well. Other agencies reporting the same quake include